Greetings to all. This is Maliha Shakil, currently pursuing Masters in Horticulture with a specialization in fruit science. Today, I will be presenting on the topic biodiversity and conservation of apple. But before going further, I would like to thank my mentor, Dr. Prashant Bakshi, who is currently working as Associate Professor in SCOL Jammu. Let me walk you through the contents that I am going to cover today in this presentation. Firstly, I will be discussing about biodiversity. Secondly, taxonomy in apple. Thirdly, germplasm and its conservation. And then, intellectual property rights and its types. And at last, agri-export zones. Biodiversity. Bio means life and diversity means variety. Thus, it's a variety of life on the earth. The term biodiversity was coined by Walter G. Rosen in the year 1986. The biodiversity is defined as the variability among living organisms from all the sources including inter alia, terrestrial, marine, and other aquatic ecosystems and ecological complexes of which they are part. This includes diversity within species, between species, and of ecosystem. Levels of biodiversity. Biodiversity is usually explored at three levels: genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity is a variety of genes within a species. Species diversity is a variety of species within habitat or a region. And ecosystem diversity is a variety of ecosystems in a given place. Status of biodiversity of apple. The scientific name of apple is Malus domestica and it belongs to the family Rosaceae. It's a queen of temperate fruit, symbol of health and premier fruit of the world. Himachal Pradesh is known as apple bowl of India. The apple is the most ubiquitous of temperate fruits and has been cultivated in Europe and Asia in antiquity. Apple, fruit of domesticated tree, Malus domestica, one of the most widely cultivated tree fruits. The apple is a pome fruit in which the ripened ovary and surrounding both become fleshy and edible. Taxonomy in apple. The botanical name of apple is Malus domestica and it belongs to the family Rosaceae and the subfamily Meloideae. The chromosome number is 34 and its origin is from southwestern Asia. The flower color is white to pink. It's a pome type of fruit and the edible portion is mesocarp. The stone cells are absent in the flesh. Origin and distribution. The main ancestor of apple is now considered to be Malus sieversii, which is a wild from a heavenly mountains and the boundary between western China and the former Soviet Union to the edge of Caspian Sea. In 2019-20 crop year, China was the leading producer of apple. After that comes United States of America, Poland, Turkey. India was ranked at 5th in production of apple. The world's total apple production was estimated at 63.9 million tons in 2020. The total area under apple cultivation in the world is 4.8 million hectares. In India, the largest producer of apple is Jammu and Kashmir. Apple blossom. Most apple blossom petals are pink when flower first blooms, and they fade to white as the season progresses. The flower are about 2.5 to 3.5 centimeter diameter with 5 petals and with usually red stamens that produce copious pollen and an inferior ovary. The honeybee is most effective pollinator of domestic apples. Apple seed buds at terminal end of 4-inch or longer shoots or on the shorter branches called spurs. Each bud cluster usually forms the same number of flower buds and leaves, but not all flower buds will successfully pollinated to produce fruit. The blossoms produce sweet scent that is faintly reminiscent of apple fruits, which helps to attract bees and insects for pollination. Apple blossoms range from white or pale pink to dark pink. Their color is dependent on the variety. The central flower of the inflorescence is called king bloom. It opens first and can develop a large fruit. Apple varieties. Apple varieties fall into two categories, diploids and triploids. Diploids have plenty of good pollen and are self-fruitful. Triploids are self-unfruitful and become productive only when pollinated by using suitable pollinizer variety. Here are the varieties of apple. The early season variety of Himachal Pradesh is Tideman's early Michael Mollies. And the early season variety of Jammu and Kashmir are Irish Peach Benoni and of Uttarakhand are Shanbari Feni. The mid-season varieties are of Himachal Pradesh are Star King Delicious and Red Delicious. And mid-season variety of Jammu and Kashmir are American Mother Jonathan. And the mid-season variety of Uttarakhand are Red Delicious, Star King Delicious. The late season varieties of Himachal Pradesh are Golden Delicious, Yellow Newton, and the late season variety of Jammu and Kashmir are King Pippin and Lal Ambri, and the late season variety of Uttarakhand are Rhymer Buckingham. Germplasm. A germplasm is a library of genetic resources for an organism. For plants, germplasm is a living tissue from which new plants can be grown. It can be seed or another plant part, a leaf, piece of stem, pollen, and even just a few cells that can be turned into a whole plant. Germplasm contains the information for a species, genetic makeup, a valuable natural resources of plant diversity. Germplasm conservation is the most successful method to conserve the genetic traits of endangered and commercially valuable species. The main objective of germplasm conservation is to preserve genetic diversity of selected plants or genetic stock for its utilization at any time in the future. There are two types of germplasm conservation, in situ conservation and ex situ conservation. In situ conservation. The conservation of germplasm in their natural habitat by constructing national parks, gene sanctuaries is termed as in situ conservation. It's regarded as high priority germplasm preservation program. Ex situ conservation. The genetic material can be conserved either by collecting plant and kept in normal growing condition or in the form of seed in seed banks through tissue culture and low temperature maintained by liquid nitrogen. This type of conservation is termed as ex situ conservation. Ex situ conservation can be carried out by several methods. That's seed gene bank, in vitro storage, DNA storage, pollen storage, field gene bank, botanical gardens. Technology in germplasm conservation. They are classified as short-term storage and long-term storage. Cryopreservation. Cryopreservation means preservation in the frozen state. It's a Greek word. Cryos means extreme cold or frost. So, it's based on the reduction and subsequent arrest of metabolic functions of the biological material by imposition of ultra-low temperature. At the temperature of liquid nitrogen, that's minus 196 degrees Celsius, almost all the metabolic activities of cells are ceased, and the sample can be then preserved in such state for extended period. However, only few biological material in their natural state can be frozen to sub-freezing temperature without adversely affecting the cell viability. Germplasm conservation in apple. A germplasm is a library of genetic resources for an organism. Germplasm collection can be stored in several ways, as seeds in cold storage, as whole plant in the nursery or orchard, or as cryopreserved dormant buds. At Plant and Food Research (PFR), the apple germplasm collection is maintained in the form of trees in an orchard. Two trees of each genotype are planted. It's important to maintain an apple germplasm collection because apples don't breed true. This means that the genetic makeup of the seed will be different to that of the tree that bears them. Growing the tree is the only way to know how the apples they produce will look and taste. More broadly, the germplasm collection is a source of genetic diversity. Historically, apple breeders have used a very narrow range of trusted cultivars as parents when breeding new varieties. In practice, breeding programs make use of apples from the germplasm collection as well as higher quality apples. The pyramid diagram illustrates how the germplasm collection contributes to apple breeding. At the bottom are genetically diverse apples of germplasm collection. Higher in the pyramid, quality increases but genetic diversity decreases. Apple conservation methods. Apple can be conserved through in vitro culture, droplets of vitrification solution with cryopreserved shoot tips, Malus florentina, plant recovering after cryopreservation, dormant apple buds processed for cryopreservation, grafted dormant bud after cryopreservation, liquid nitrogen tanks at USDA ARS National Laboratory for Genetic Resource Preservation. Intellectual property rights. These are the rights given to the person over the creation of their minds. They usually give the creator an exclusive rights over the use of his or her creation for the certain period of time. The types of IPR are copyright, patent, plant breeders' rights, trademarks, geographical indication, industrial design, trade secrets. Copyright. Copyright is a legal term used to describe the rights that creators have over their literary and artistic works. Patent is an exclusive right given to an inventor to exclude all others from making, using, or selling or offering to sell the invention in the country that granted the patent right and importing it into that country. Plant breeders' rights. Plant breeders' rights are used to protect new varieties of plants by giving exclusive commercial rights for about 20 to 25 years to the market and new variety its reproductive material. Trademarks is a familiar type of IPR protection. It's a distinctive sign which allows consumers to easily identify the particular goods or services that a company provides. Geographical indication is a sign used on goods that have a specific geographical origin and possess qualities or a reputation to place are due to that place of origin. Industrial design. An industrial design right is an intellectual property that protects visual design of the object that are not purely utilitarian. Trade secret is any practice or process of a company that is generally not known outside the company. Information considered a trade secret gives the company a competitive advantage over its competitors, and it's often a product of internal research and development. Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act. The establishment of Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Authority at New Delhi, new plant varieties can be industrial design. According to intellectual property law, however, an industrial design refers only to aesthetic aspects or outward appearance of the product. Industrial design is also applied to product packaging and containers. Intellectual property rights in Apple. Unlike most produce, Apple are one of the few produce items that are sold and distinguished by cultivar name, which means that consumer will actually pay more for the varieties based on their trademark name because of the belief that specific varieties offer unique taste in color, flavor, and taste. The concept of owning intellectual property rights in produce has existed since the mid-20s. For example, apple tree growers began to spend money in growing specific variety to better profit or sustain easier crop growth. The Honeycrisp apple was created and developed by the University of Minnesota. To create the Honeycrisp apple, researchers grew and crossed hundreds of different varieties of apple until they were able to create the Honeycrisp apple that boasts a unique combination of sweetness, color, and growth. When they first stabilized the strain, the University of Minnesota actually patented that specific apple variety, which only recently expired in 2008. Before the patent expired, however, every apple farmer or grower who wanted to grow Honeycrisp apple had to pay royalty rates of approximately $1 per tree to the University of Minnesota. The creator of a particular apple strain, however, generally does not hold the intellectual property rights to the apple. Instead, apple clubs generally hold the intellectual property rights to the specific strains, requiring growers to join a particular group in order to be able to grow that specific apple variety. Geographical indication. It's an indication. It originates from a definite geographical territory. It's used to identify agricultural, natural, and manufactured goods. Till now, apple has not got any GI tag in India. Here are some fruit crops that are registered under GI tag in India. Agri-export zones. The concept of agri-export zone was introduced in 2001 to take a comprehensive look at a particular produce or product located in the contiguous area for the purpose of developing and sourcing the raw materials, their processing or packaging leading to final exports. Apple has two agri-export zones that are Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Benefits of agri-export zones are: it helps in strengthening of backward linkage with a market-oriented approach, product acceptability and its competitiveness abroad as well as in domestic market. Value addition to basic agricultural produce, bring down cost of production through economy of scale, better price for agricultural produce, improvement in product quality and packaging, promote trade-related research and development, increase employment opportunities. Here are the agri-export zone in India of all the fruit crops. Some important questions related to the topic are: which state is known as Apple Bowl of India? It's Himachal Pradesh. During which season apple flowers bloom? It's spring. Preserving germplasm in a frozen state is known as cryopreservation. The preservation by liquid nitrogen is called as cryopreservation. What is the temperature of liquid nitrogen? It's minus 196 degrees Celsius. Conservation of germplasm under natural condition is called as in situ conservation. How long the registration of geographical indication is valid? It's valid for 10 years. The concept of agri-export zone was introduced in which year? It's 2001. Write the agri-export zones of apple in India. It's Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. The central flower of inflorescence in apple is called as king bloom.